Imagine it's 95 degrees outside, the humidity is 100%, and your grass is growing faster than you can keep up with it. Now imagine you're sitting on your couch with a cold drink in your hand while your lawn transforms into something resembling a professional golf course. Hi, I'm Guy, and I finally found the secret to firing my lawnmower without firing myself. It's the Mammotion Luba Mini, and after testing it for over a year, I can tell you this isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer. Before I get into it though, you might be wondering why a pest controller is doing a lawnmower video. Well, the reason's really quite simple. If you're going to do a pest treatment on your lawn, it's a very good idea to mow it first, and the absolute best way to do it is from your couch. And the secret for doing that is using a robotic lawnmower. Now, we've all seen robotic mowers that are always getting stuck or stop working the second it drizzles. But like the old Postal Service creed, this thing doesn't care about rain, extreme heat, or even the gloom of night. Because it's built with a high chassis and true four-wheel drive, and it powers through the most challenging situations that leave other mowers stranded. I have put this thing through its paces for over a year now, and it has never gotten stuck. Not once. And the best part, you don't need to spend your weekend burying miles of perimeter wire in the dirt. Set up the charging station and just drive the mower around the edge of your yard like a remote-controlled car to set the boundary. Then mark your no-go zones where you don't want the mower to go and show the mower how to get there, and you're done. And if you're worried about your kids, pets, or stray toys in the yard, don't be. It uses advanced GPS and obstacle avoidance. If something gets in its way, it simply stops and navigates around it. I've tested it extensively, and it hasn't run over a single thing. So, you can spend your time watching the game or hanging out with the family while the Luba Mini is busy doing a perfect job on your lawn. Your neighbors are going to think you spent hours manicuring your lawn when really you just handed the work over to your cell phone. That's right. All the operations done by the mower are controlled in an app on your cell phone. It simply couldn't be easier. And if you're thinking you can't afford one of these things, think again. Surprisingly, these aren't just for the wealthy. They are incredibly affordable and, in my opinion, a really good investment. Now, if you want to see exactly how to set this up, operate it, and maintain it before you buy one, I've made a deep dive video that covers everything you need to know. Just click on the link in the description and at the end of this video. Now listen, I've saved the best for last. Mammotion has come out with a new model of the Mini called the Luba Mini 2. I haven't had a chance to test it yet, but from what I can see, it incorporates a couple of really neat features that the original version doesn't have. The Luba Mini 2 features a side cutting disc, so it's going to cut even closer to the edge of the property line and the fences. And get this, it no longer requires an RTK station. Let me tell you, if you've ever used a robotic mower before, then you know that those improvements are huge. So tell me, are you ready to trade in all that sweat and that clunky old lawnmower for a relaxing afternoon on the couch? The technology is here, it's safe, and it's wire-free. The only question left is, what are you going to do with all that extra free time? Thank you so much for watching. Be well, my friends.